Good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones. I'll be your spokesman from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. If this is your first time to the YouTube channel called Stream Machines, thank you so much for giving us a thumbs up throughout the duration of this video. We are the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I've been doing these videos about quick settings and just quick tutorials. And what I'm going to do is do a lot of these about the Formula device. Then I'm going to put them in a playlist because I'm going to keep the time down. And they're just really simple tips and tricks that you can practice if you have a Z11 Pro Max or this one, Z11 Pro Max or Z10 or whichever box you see me preview. It'll work on yours if you have it. All right. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to keep your Formula device from overheating. There's a couple of things and one more other tip. Now, one thing we know about Formula devices, if you don't know or didn't know, I believe they're the number one media devices for streaming online entertainment. Whether that be YouTube TV, IPTV, these boxes are really, really good. With that in mind, you want your device to be pretty smart. In other words, you don't want it just staying on all day if there's no one using it. And so Formula, if you set up the settings of the My TV Online, either 2 app, version 2 or version 3, like you're seeing here, you can turn off what we call, or what they call, the playback limit. You can either turn it on or leave it off. So let me show you how to do that, and then I'll show you how to save favorites, because we were asked what's the best way to save favorites on the device. So we're going to go right into My TV Online 3. I'm going to press the menu button, and I'm going to go down to settings and press OK. Once I'm in settings, I can go all the way down where it says playback limit. Right now, I have mine on 2 hours. I can go to 1 hour, or I can just turn it off. What does this mean? At the 1 hour mark, if I'm out and about or doing something or a honey-do list or whatever it might be, and there is no user activity, your device will turn off and give you a 60-second countdown to turn it off. It'll turn off your TV. It will turn off the device. So let's say, for instance, you go to bed a little bit earlier than normal. You're a bit tired and you fall asleep, but you're watching ESPN. When you wake up, all my devices are off, the TV is off, and it's completely powered down, not on standby. This is what we call a playback limit, or they call a playback limit. It limits the time that your device is online, active, so it limits the wear and tear of the device. Hence the title, so you're not overheating. Most devices, I should say some other devices, stay on all day. If you leave the house, it'll be on as long as there's power. So we don't, the Formula made it very easy for you to take advantage of some of the tips and tricks, all right? In the next part of the video, what we're gonna show you is how to save favorites. All right, I'm on My TV Online 2, or I'm gonna see Online 3. This is a Z11 Pro Max. And you can see right here, if I go to the right and I click add favorites here, anything that's on my device, I can put on the home page. If I don't want this on the home page, I can still find everything on my device by going to the app section from the launcher page. This will show you everything in the app section, okay? Another way to save your favorite channels is within My TV Online 2 or 3. When I'm in My TV Online 3, I'm going to go back, and then you're going to see if I push down here, I can save ESPN as a favorite channel here. If I'm watching this channel and I want to save a favorite, I can definitely do this by hitting the menu button. Not the menu button, but the OK button. And if you look at the very bottom, you're going to see highlighted a blue button. We'll put a star next to the channel. Now that saves it as a favorite as well. While you're in My TV Online 3, you can also hit the menu button, press the OK button, go to Content Manager, press the OK button, and then go to Manage Groups or Manage Favorites. So If I go ahead and manage favorites, I can get a favorites folder that's there, or I can add a group to create a favorites folder. What my point is, it's very easy. As you can see, I have all of the favorites to the right there that I have, and they're right there each and every time. Having this type of tips and tricks, I believe, helping you just puts things in perspective, makes it easy for you to learn the device. Let's be honest. A lot of people say, well, Jeff, why do you sell only Formula devices? These are not the only devices that I sell or resell. And everyone says, well, these are very expensive. Most people want a $45 on Pro K or on 4K. Really? So I wonder if I have it here that I could show you something before I end here. I don't think I have it here. No, I do not. I sell these devices simply because I believe they're the best. They've lasted me. I have one device that has lasted me 8 years without changing it. I recently upgraded it this year, but since I resell these and I get great prices on them, it makes sense for me to know about them so I can help the people that buy them from me. If you buy this from me, not only will I help you set it up through video instructions, but we will help and support you as long as you own that device. So the point I'm making is formulas to each his own for the device. But if most devices these days are copying formulas, so it makes a lot of sense to learn the best. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video with an invitation. We just have access to what we call Box 95. This is a very good device. It's only live TV. You can't put any other movie apps or whatever it might be. So this device is for someone who might be older, who already has their Netflix and their Hulu and their movies already on their TV, smart TV, and they're just looking for a great live TV solution, Box 95. Why is it Box 95? It's $95 for the box and everything within it. And then we will support you year after year with support. So if you need some help with it or it stops working, we'll help you replace it. Go ahead and look at the video. Take a look at it. It's very, very simple. And we're starting to pick up some momentum where people just want to spend $95 and save a heck of a lot more. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much on this Friday night for looking at this video. Have a great evening, and we'll see you.